Welcome children to our YouTube channel. Children, today we simplified the following expression of exponential and power. In previous lecture we learned when the base are different and power is same. So what procedure we adopt? In this lecture we learn when the base are same and power are different or same. Which formula we use? Here children, we use when base are same. Base is a, power is m. Multiply by base is a and power is n is equal to when multiplication is come and base are same, then addition of the power. Children, we use this formula for solving these problems. Now, in first problem, children, base is 2 by 5 and multiply by 2 by 5, power is a 3. Therefore, 2 by 5 division, therefore addition of power 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 by 5 whole raised to 3 plus 3, 6, which is our answer. Now children, in second expression, here the base are 7 and 7. Base are same, power are different. Here 7 means 7 raised to 1. Therefore, now base is same, therefore 7 multiplication, so addition of power. Therefore 28 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 7 raised to 28 plus 2 plus 1 is a 31, which is our answer. Now children, in third sum, the base is a minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 and multiplication. So base is the same and power different. So we add the power. Therefore, minus 3 by 2 addition of power 4 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 by 2 raised to 9. Now children, we learn when the base is same but the exponential term is in division. What we use in this, when the base is same, a raised to m divided by exponential term is in division, a raised to n is equal to, when the base is same, power is different and in division, so we subtract the power, m minus n. Students, we use this formula in this sum. Here in first sum, 8 raised to 2 divided by 8 raised to 3. Here the base is a same and division, so we subtract the power. Therefore, is equal to 8 2 minus 3 is equal to 8 raised to 2 minus 3 is a minus 1. Now when a raised to minus 1 is equal to, we can write 1 by a. Therefore, 8 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 answer. Now children, in this sum 6 square plus 6 raised to 4 whole divided by 6 cube. Here the base is same but in addition, and 6 raised to cube is in division. So first children, we divide the 6 square plus 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 cube. Now children, here the addition, so we divide both term by 6 raised to 3 is equal to 6 square divided by 6 raised to 3 plus 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 3. Now children, in division base is the same but power is different, so we subtract the power. So 6 raised to 2 minus 3 plus 6 raised to 4 minus 3 is equal to 6 raised to minus 1 plus 6 raised to 1 is equal to, now children, we know 6 raised to minus 1 we can write 1 by 6 plus 6 raised to 1 is a 6. Now LCM of these is a 6. So 1 plus 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 6 is equal to 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37 by 6. Our answer. Now children, in third sum, here the base are same and multiplication and division both operation is given. So first here the multiplication, so we base are same and multiplication, so we add the power 8 raised to 2 plus 4 divided by 8 raised to 3 is equal to 8 raised to 6 divided by 8 raised to 3. We can write 8 raised to 6 divided by 8 raised to 3 in this form. Here the base is the same, so we can subtract the power and division. So we can subtract the power. Therefore 8 raised to 6 minus 3 is equal to 8 cube, which is our. So children, 8 cube is equal to 512, which is our answer. Now children, I think you understand the how to use the formulas in the power and exponential. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.